My name's Todd Snyder. I've been at S&S Worldwide for about 20 years, and I've been in the engineering department. I started as a senior engineer. I was the head of engineering for about 15 years. So I'm responsible for taking care of the engineering data and getting that into our ERP systems and how that is used through our manufacturing processes, and also how dealing with product once it is in our customers' hands and any problems that might come up down the road for the life of the product. S&S Worldwide manufactures amusement park rides. We've been in business for over 25 years. We're located in Cache Valley, Utah. We make roller coasters, we make tower rides, we make swing rides. Our catchphrase is engineering excitement. We try to make things that make people smile. And the day-to-day work is engineering work. We're an engineering company. We do design work in-house. We have a full engineering staff, and then we have the operations staff to support that so that we can get our products made, get them out, and provide thrilling rides to all of our customers and to the public in general. S&S is in the process of changing our ERP system. And with that change, we have the opportunity to hopefully do things better. Historically, we have found that we have had our part data in multiple locations. It's in our PDM system, it's in our part generator, it is in our ERP system, and it might be different on drawings or other places. And so multiple locations might represent information different about the parts. So one of the things we're really trying to do is to make sure that those systems are communicating with each other and that our data is clean, it's true, it's accurate, regardless of who's looking at that. If it's the purchaser looking at the information or the engineer or the designer that is looking at the information, they're looking at the same data so that in the end we get the right product. As we started looking at making these systems talk, we found CADLink and we had a demo for that product, and it seemed like that was going to do what it needed to do for us. One of the things that we had historically had difficulty with was managing configurations that were created in our CAD software and having a software know what was part numbers, what was visual configuration, and how would that be transferred into our ERP system. So we needed software that could understand the difference and then communicate and make sure that our data was the same in all these locations. CADLink seemed to fulfill all of those responsibilities for us. I would recommend CADLink for a couple reasons. One, it seems to accomplish the things that we needed to do. It's communicating between our PDM system and our ERP system. And it gives us the ability to transfer information between those systems through the software and make sure that the system is consistent between them. Another thing that I've really appreciated with CADLink is they have worked with us through some unique requests that we have had. We are trying to bring in large amounts of data, and CADLink has worked with us to make it so that we can bring that data across in a bulk transfer. So they have set up some custom methods for us to use the capabilities of CADLink that are helping us set up our system so that we're starting with good information and we're not having to just update all that information as we go along. Definitely saving us hours, weeks of time to bring that information into our new ERP system.